Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to turn off WhatsApp even if the mobile data or Wi-Fi is on. So let's get started. So here we are on our phone, and as you can see, I'm currently using an emulator, but it is basically the same thing. So I'm just gonna proceed with the settings right here. So go to the settings of your device right here. So you can use this even if you're in a tablet or mobile phone right here. So you can basically do the same thing. From here in the settings, you want to go into the apps. So click on apps or tap on it, and then from here you want to find WhatsApp. So I'm just gonna scroll all the way down, and then here it is. Here's WhatsApp. So I'm gonna tap on that. And from here, all I have to do basically is just tap on force up. So all you have to do basically is just to force tap the WhatsApp app in order for you to turn it off when the mobile data or Wi-Fi is on. So you don't have to worry about a thing if you're opening other apps, as long as you don't open the WhatsApp app itself while your mobile data or Wi-Fi is on, then you don't have any problem with it that it would be turned on because it is already forced tap. And then one thing is that as you can see, I don't have the option or the background permissions of WhatsApp. But if you have that, then I would suggest that you turn off the WhatsApp permission, that you would let it run in the background of your device. So with that, then you don't have to worry about a thing, that WhatsApp will be turned on when mobile data or Wi-Fi is on. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.